Hey guys, Ben Simpson here at Simpson Vlogs. Welcome your faces to an unboxing video. If you haven't seen the thumbnail and you've just jumped into this video, well, today we're unboxing the Xbox Series X. A graduation gift courtesy of Mum and Dad. So before we get further into the video, I just want to say a big thank you to Mum and Dad. And I love you very much and thanks for this awesome gift. Other than that, well, sit back for a snack or a drink. Kick your feet up, most importantly, have fun. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Hit that bell notification to keep doing everything here on Simpson Vlogs. And of course, check the wonderful links in the description for TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, alongside Simpson Plays, simpsonplays.com, and of course, my Twitch, Simpson_Plays13. We can catch all gameplay recorded on the Xbox Series X over on Twitch. Drop a follow over there to see when I'm streaming and what I'm streaming, and you can subscribe to support me financially as a streamer if you so choose to. Now, you're probably noticing that the camera is moving a lot with my head. How the hell am I doing this? Well, I'm doing it with the DJI Osmo, as usual. We're back using this awesome gadget again, another gift courtesy of Mum and Dad, so thank you again for this. We've got the Xbox Series X over to the side, so without me further talking, let's see and unbox the damn thing. So guys, we've taken off the cover of the Xbox. This is the Xbox box. When you get it, it comes with all these side stickers holding down the various sides, because unlike the PlayStation, it doesn't lift up and everything be stacked down underneath it. When we flip it onto its back, and you kind of have to pull up on all these things that I've redone a bit, and voila. There she is, the Xbox One X, all nicely tucked in there. It's a lot smaller than the PlayStation, but don't let size deceive you. It has got a 1TB SSD. It can do 4K resolution. It's a powerhouse. Inside this little black box here at the back, we've got the all black Xbox pad. Oh, very nice, very nice. Got the standard power cable, manual and all that. As usual, Xbox still with their shitty battery controller. I don't understand why. PlayStation hasn't had batteries in it ever. Not their own make anyway. And then you got obviously the HDMI cable. In the box at the bottom is probably the Diablo 4 code and maybe a free code for like 3 months or something of Xbox Live, so that might be in there at the bottom. If that shows up on the video, the code, feel free to try it. If you get a free game, you get a free game. I doubt it will work, because I will have downloaded everything, I can promise you that. But yeah, this is, as we take this out, this is everything that comes inside of the box. We'll show you a bit more close up of the Xbox outside of this protective sleeve in a second. So then guys, moving all this aside, the control side, move the wires aside. I'm not going to take this off yet, I need to put it all back in the box, get upstairs into my room. But let's take out the Xbox, which is actually quite heavier than you would think for its little dinky size. It's as heavy as the thingy. And if I look like I was struggling, that's because I actually was. I was trying not to drop the box onto my feet while taking this out because it was slipping. So, this is the Xbox X, as I clearly do not know what I'm doing here. Just lift this up carefully. Of course I've done it upside way down. Right. So it's got like a little, it's not even feet, it's just a little base to sit itself on. There you go. And we pull it up, just like that. I was hoping the code might have been in here, but it's not. Yeah, here we go. This is the Xbox Series X. It is really heavier than I thought it would be for its size, but it's a lot smaller in size in comparison to something like the PlayStation 5. So you got feet on the side as well. Ooh, careful with that. You got feet on the side if you want to, lay it sideways like this. Can do. I think I'll probably end up having it upwards, upright, like I'd have the PlayStation in my room. It's more preferable to have it upright, in my opinion. This looks nicer. It looks like it's meant to be like this. In terms of storage expansion, I don't know what you can slot in there. I don't know what that slot is for. I'll have to look it up. But yeah, the Series X is very clean, very nice, and it looks like it's a lot easier to get into than the PlayStation 5 is if you want to mess around inside, clean it, or upgrade the storage or anything like that. But yeah, this is the Xbox Series X. I'm very excited to try it out, plug it in, get it up and running, get Diablo installed. I might have to buy it since I do not know where on earth the code for it actually is. But don't worry, it's still coming to the channel, as promised. But yeah, this is it. This is pretty awesome. So this is obviously a Windows laptop, and this is running a version of Windows for the Xbox Series X. I thought you'd get a little bit of a size comparison, just how dinky this is. This is a very big gaming laptop. If we lift it up, comparing its size, it is way bigger than the Xbox Series X. You got a good, what is that? A good inch, maybe two, a lot longer wise. And then if you do a side by side comparison like that, obviously huge width difference. But yeah, so you got a bit of a size comparison to get a bit more perspective of just how more compact this is than the PlayStation. The PlayStation's size and what it takes up is bigger than this laptop, whether it's laying down, whether it's stood up, it doesn't matter. Obviously this is, thick, but the PlayStation is that way as well, so it doesn't really matter. It looks like Microsoft have hit a winning configuration with this. Obviously it hasn't sold as well as the PlayStation 5, but the hype around the PlayStation 5 was just so intense and so crazy. And all the fanfare with scalpers and everything at the time with COVID just made PlayStation 5 a lot more of a winning thing than the Xbox was when it was selling. PlayStation 5 is on offer right now, in the UK that is anyway. I think it's £130 off at Game, and I think there's even £100 or something off at Amazon.co.uk as well. I will link both the Amazon and the Game Xbox one in the description. Mom and Dad got it from Amazon for me, because when I went into the room, they had this big box laid down. They're like, "Oh, I've got something to tell you. Things just aren't working out." And I was like, "What do you mean things aren't working out? What's going on?" And they proper got me with that one. And they're like, "Yeah, we got you the Xbox X." I was like, "What?" And I opened up the Amazon box, this big Amazon box, and I was like, "Oh, this is amazing." That's basically the story of what happened there. Parents like doing the whole surprise gift thing, which I do really enjoy and appreciate. In terms of where this is going in my room, it's probably gonna go on my second monitor. So for those of you who haven't seen any of the Simpson Plays videos, the first monitor kind of faces towards my bed, or where my head would be on my bed, and it's got the connector of the Apple TV that I've got and PlayStation connected to it as the home entertainment, as well as obviously playing games and recording on. The other screen is connected just to my work laptop, along obviously the main screen is connected to work laptop as well, and they're both the same screen, but they're connected to the work laptop through a hub. This one will also connect to that second screen. That way I'm not having everything just on one screen, and got a bit of differentiation in terms of viewing angle and stuff with the videos. I don't know if I'm going to need a different camera. I'm wondering if the PlayStation camera would work with this. I don't know. There's a lot of stuff I need to look up before we can jump into Diablo 4 and that series. So it's going to be fun. It's going to be intense, because I've never played any Diablo game before. It's going to be it might just be just like when I jumped into Elden Ring. I've never played a Souls game before, and enjoyed it. But hopefully, if it is like Elden Ring, we'll have the same outcome. Me being very happy, you guys being very happy, everyone being very, very happy. And the game is very, very popular. Speaking of games, I've just bought Baldur's Gate 3 on here, so it's a bit of a coincidence, me buying this game and now we're jumping into that one. I thought about doing Baldur's Gate 3 on the channel, but then I thought, well, I don't really have the streaming set up for doing it from the laptop. So if I ever do a Baldur's Gate, I will have to buy another edition for either the Xbox or the PlayStation and do it through that. But yes, you guys do have it, looking forward. So do check out the link in the description to obviously Simpson Plays on my YouTube channel, see Xbox content, and of course if you want to see it live, Simpson Plays 13. Well guys, I think I've talked enough about the Xbox. All that's left to do is for me to plug it in, set it up, have fun with it, and you guys watch along and see how it goes. So until then, be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Hit that bell notification to keep up to date with everything here on Simpson Vlogs. Check the links in the description for TikTok, Instagram and Twitter. Also Simpson Plays, simpsonplays.com, and of course my Twitch, Simpson Score Plays 13, where you catch me live. Drop a follow over there, see when I'm streaming and what I'm streaming. I'll keep you up to date when we finally start playing Diablo 4 on the Xbox Series X. And of course you can subscribe to support me financially as a streamer if you want to. Till next time guys, I'm gonna love you and leave you. Peace.